Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the amazing treks to do in Himachal Pradesh. Kheer in Kasol is a beautiful frothy white mountain river. A pretty hut denotes the starting of the trek from Kalga village. The trek is roughly no more than 12 kilometers and can be covered in 5 to 6 hours if you take only a couple of short breaks. This trek is famed all over the country. You can see the amazing wooden carving on temple door in Nakthon village. This is the halfway of the Kheer trek with a beautiful scenario and the waterfall. There are many open air cafes where you can enjoy the food with nature. Also there are many places with interesting artwork on the walls of cafe. This is a natural hot water pool of Kheer Ganga. A relaxed dip in this water feels like heaven after the tiring trek. The next is Chandrakhani Pass Trek. Chandrakhani Pass Trek is one of the most beautiful mountain passes in India. At an altitude of 3660 meters located in Kullu Valley. The trek originates from the village of Nagar and passes through the Grumsu, Ganachlani and Salanti. It is approximately 22 kilometers and can be completed in 6 days. The beautiful trek offers the fabulous views of Deotiba, Pir Banjal and Parvati range of mountains. Next one is Byas Kund. The trek that stretches from the Sanang Valley will enchant you with beautiful water bodies of Himachal Pradesh. The 16-kilometer trek can be covered in 2 days. The endpoint of the trek is Byas Kund and the glacier that feeds the fierce water of river Byas. With the beauty of valleys of Kullu and Manali, cascading waterfalls, and the grandeur of Pir Banjal ranges in the background, this trek will keep you connected with the nature throughout. Further is very interesting Malana village trek. Malana is a small village that has kept itself away from all the materialistic developments that people in cities die for. This very fact makes this place unique and beautiful beyond the measures. The trek to the Malana village begins from Zari, where you can take a 45 minutes cab ride to the entrance of the village. They have their own traditions and regulations. These are some temples and houses there in the Malana village. The 5-kilometer trek can be covered in 2 hours depending on your body strength. The endpoint of the trek is Malana village, where you can feel the intoxication of marijuana in the air. Tosh Valley trek is another wonderful trek. The trek to Tosh Valley begins from Barsheni. The tough and rocky roads pave a way for that 5-kilometer trek that will require you to climb only uphills in search of landscapes of the river, waterfalls, green valleys and snow-covered mountains standing in pride in the backdrop. The best season to visit is from the month of March to May. The next wonderful trek is Triund trek. Triund is the crowning jewel of Dharamshala. Triund trek stands still among the most scenic trek in Himachal Pradesh that is tailored for newbies. The short trek of 9 kilometers which begin its trail from Dharamkot can be easily accomplished in 5 to 6 hours. This trek offers the amazing panorama with the majestic Doladar ranges on one side and the beautiful Kangra valley on the other. Best time to pack your bags for this trek is in the month of May to June and September to November.